Hello friends, today we are talking about dogs breeds. There are more than 340 breeds of dogs in the world. These breeds vary in size, shape, color and temperament. The American Kennel Club AKC recognized about 200 breeds. Dog breeds can be classified into different groups such as dogs playing. These dogs are known for hunting and water work, such as the Labrador Retriever and the Golden Retriever. Number 2. Hunting dogs. These dogs are known for hunting and tracking prey, such as the Beagle and Basset Hound. Number 3. Watchdogs. These dogs are known for protecting their territory and family, such as the German Shepherd and Rottweiler. Number 3. Terriers. These dogs are energetic and fearless, such as the Jack Russell Terrier and West Highland White Terrier. Number 4. Small dogs. These dogs are cute and small, like the Chihuahua and Yorkshire Terrier. Number 5. Non-sporting dogs. This is diverse group that includes a variety of breeds such as French, Bulldog, and Dalmatian. Number 6. Cattle herding dogs. These dogs are known for taking care of livestock, such as the Border Collie and the Australian Shepherd. Thank you.